face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.
Yo guys, welcome back to my channel again. My name is Nanaya and my channel is about how to make money online and learn as well. So please, if you are new to this channel and you are interested in making money online and learn as well, then please hit on the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any video that I upload concerning how to make money online and text. So in this video I want to show you a specific app that will help you make money online. As you can see my screen, I received $32.13 from them. That was March 29, 2019, this year to be specific. It's really real and legit, so please make sure you watch this video to the end so that you don't miss any important step. So the name of the app is called Voxpopme. It's called Voxpopme. If you are in the United States, you can download this from the Google Play Store, but if you are outside the United States, I'll show you a way to download and use it. So without wasting much time, let's jump in. And this payment is real, it's not something fake. As you can see, it's from PayPal. It's real, not a fake one. So let's go back to my screen and go to Google Play Store, and let me type in Voxpopme. As you can see, we didn't find Voxpopme here, but if you are in the United States and you search for it, I think you're gonna find it here and you use it. So first thing you have to do is you open your browser. If you are this method is if you are not in the United States, we open our browser, then we type in apk pure. That's the first step. Type in apk pure, then we will click on the first link. So after you've clicked on the first link, you see the download here, using apk pure, faster, free and saving data. So you click on download. You click okay, let me download it. It's only 11.8 megabytes. So you click on it, then okay, to install it. Okay, let me pause it. After it has been downloaded, then I'll resume it. Okay, so it's now downloaded and I've installed it. So you click on open. Okay, so now we will search for Voxpopme here. Hit on the search bar, then you search for Voxpopme, then you hit on search. Okay, so Voxpopme is here. These two apps are what we saw in Google Play Store. We didn't see the first one, so we click on install. Continue. Okay, let me pause it again, and once it's done installing, I'll resume it and continue. This app does not allow you to do any difficult task. All you have to do is you answer some questions by recording your face. They just bring out a question, then you answer them by videoing yourself. It's easy and simple. So let's proceed. I just want to create a new account to show you guys, because my other account I don't have any service, so I want to create a new one so that I can do some of the service, show you how it works. So we click on sign up. Okay, so we enter our first name, let me say Nanayao, second name Nanayao, email address yapstack@gmail.com, password, other password, date of birth, make sure you select 1990 plus your real maybe month and date. So I was born in July, so 1990. Okay, gender, okay, I think I'm male, not female. And country, you select United States. Then you type in your city or state. So I'll choose Miami. Then I'll hit on search. Okay, Miami is in. I'll click on it, then hit on continue. Terms and conditions, you can take your time to read this and everything, to know everything. So I'll just click on agree. Then boom, welcome to Voxpopme community. You are ready to get started. Answer your first question and start earning now. So make sure you register with your PayPal email address, because once you reach the minimum payment of $15, they will send it through your the email address you use to register. They will never request any additional email from you to send you your payment. So make sure you register using your email address. And one thing, if you are not in the United States, make sure you register with a VPN. Yeah, make sure you register with the VPN. And the VPN that you used, I mean the city with the city, use the same city. Yeah, that's what I am trying to tell you. Use the same city. This is not my personal account, that's why I have not switched on my VPN. And yeah, this is my account that after I've shown you this video, I'll never use this account. So I never switched on my VPN. But if you are creating the account to use, make sure you switch on VPN and make sure you use that country with a city. Use the same city when you try to access Voxpopme. So answer question, click on it. As you can see, it's giving me 65 cents for this one. So we do like to know where you heard about the app and what are your first impression of the app. When recording your video response, please ensure that your face is clearly visible and you speak for a minimum of 15 seconds. Question task, record response, upload response. Okay, user information, your response may be used internally, example research and insights, publicly, example web and social. So you start your task. Okay, allow. Okay, so sorry, let me go outside. And when you are recording a video, make sure that you wear a top. Make sure you wear a top. Like as I said, this is not my personal account, so I'll never use this account after I've done this video. So what you have to do is you click on the record button, then as the question asks you, where did you hear about Voxpopme? So you talk about, or maybe a friend introduced Voxpopme to me, and I thought of giving it a try to see if it works perfectly, and I wanted to earn extra money from home. So I found it important, or I found it interested to give it a try, and something like that. You just think of the question, then you give it an answer, and this is what I did to make that $32.13 that you saw. So it's real legit, and they are still paying. So as I said, always make sure that your VPN is on, and make sure that you register with your PayPal money, because if you register an email, register with your PayPal email. So if you register with an email which is not registered on PayPal, then you're never going to receive your payment after you've reached their minimum payout. So guys, this is what I have for you today, and hope you love this video. If you like it, hit on the like button, and again, if you are new to this channel and you are interested in making money online and text, then please hit on the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any video that I upload concerning how to make money online and learn as well. So guys, this is what I have for you, and hope to see you again. Bye.
MDK awada. Yo, samada, move to
Face, tell me that you love me.